Heather asked, how do I continue to nurture the leads I received from a campaign? So one thing I definitely recommend that makes the nurturing a lot easier is to have a CRM, especially if you can get one that has more marketing automation attached to it. The one we typically recommend is HubSpot. We do a lot of HubSpot work. We're a platinum partner. That makes all of this a lot easier. And the benefit of that too is you can gain a lot of metrics around your nurturing. So you obviously put the leads into your database, and then you can start to send them emails, have the sales team call them. You can even do advanced things like lead scoring. This is all then data that you can be showing them to try to secure your next MDF program. So if you can say, hey, these 20 leads that we got from the Q1 program, now we're in Q4, and here's everything we've done with them since on our own dime, and we've gotten them this much further towards a sale. Now we want another campaign that's going to give us that final push. That's a lot more likely to get funded